Hi, me again. So following on from our percentage lesson, we're going to do some worked examples. These are taken from the CGP book, Edexcel Maths Functional Skills Level 1. You'll find the reference in the whiteboard when we go to it in a second. So what I suggest we do is that we are going to look at questions 1 to 3. We're going to work through 1 and 2, and you can work through 3. Okay. So the first question that we're going to look at is write 35% as a fraction. So this is, asking you some different things in a way to what we just asked before, but the answer is in part of what we've done before. So let's go to the whiteboard and let's look at this question. Okay, write 35% as a fraction. Well, you may well have forgotten what we've done before. Perfectly normal. What do we do when we forget? We simply check. So let's go back to what our rules were for working out a percentage of quantity. So we can see, here, that if we want to find a percentage of quantity, one of the first things we do is we write the percentage as a fraction over 100. So if we go back to our original question, which is write 35% as a fraction, now that we've reminded ourselves, we know that what the question is asking us is it's just saying, show what 35% is out of 100. So we would write 35 out of 100. So we've got that first one right. Excellent. Let's give ourselves a tick for that. There we go. We'll try in a colour. I often fail at this, but we'll give it a go. There we go. We got that one right. Okay, let's look at another question. I'll put these on the screen so you can see them all properly afterwards. I'm not sure why it does that sometimes. I do believe it's there. That's right. What is 15% of 50? Okay, let's work it through methodically so that you can do it on your own afterwards. Let's go over here. So question 2. What is 15% of 50? Okay, so what's our method? Well, the first thing is that we do is that we write the percentage as a fraction out of 100. So that would be the first thing we would do. So we would take this number, the 15%, because that's the percentage. So it will be 15 over 100. And the second thing we want to do is multiply it by the amount. And that would mean 15 over 100 times by 50. And then we would simply multiply it out, which would be 15 times by 5, which would equal 7. Sorry, I was looking for my numbers, 7.5. Now, this is a calculator question, so it's quite straightforward. We're going to talk about and look at how we deal with these multiples and decimals in another paper when we do the non-calculator paper. So now you've had practice with 2 questions. You can now go back. I'm going to save that for a second. Give that a minute. Minimize that. You can now go back and do the other questions which are here. Remember, work through them slowly. Think about the numbers. Use your method. The question only asks you for what the numbers are requiring. Okay, I hope that was helpful, and take care. I shall see you later. Bye.